When you create an item, it is possible to configure the item's layout from the default one. To do this with a pre-existing item, simply open the existing item and make sure you're on the edit page. You can see that this item here has a passage of text and a couple of questions. The current layout isn't the tidiest, but we can make it neater with the layout options. In the top right corner of the edit page, there is a settings button, and clicking this button will open the layout options. You can select from a number of different two-column settings. For this example, we will select the 50-50 option, so that both columns are taking up the same space on our page. Enabling tabs will allow the student to flick between two passages of text without navigating away from the item. You can set this to be in one column or both. Enabling Show Vertical Divider will display a dividing line between the two columns, and enabling scrolling for long content will display a scroll bar when one is required. Click on the X when you are finished. Now we can see that our item contains two columns, and all of the content in our item has moved to the left column, while the right column is empty. The two tabs are visible, and we can rename them from the default names of Tab 1 and Tab 2. The second tab is empty, so let's add some content. Ensuring again that you are on the edit page, just click and drag the content you desire from the left column to the right column. Clicking on the Preview tab, it is possible to see the vertical divider line and the scroll bar. You can also configure the layout on an item before you add questions or features to it by following the same steps but on an empty item. Then you can add the questions in the locations that you see fit.